So for the cell, the thing which is here, it is cyto, and for the green, the term it is chloro. Thread, it is mito, and further out of it is X, true it is U, and inside it is endo, and here further it is without here it is a prefix a. So here we can say formed substance.